Hello everyone. So from this video onwards, let us learn Python in very few parts. Um, so let us start with the introduction of Python. So what is Python? Python is a powerful and beginner-friendly programming language widely used for development, data analysis, automation, and in education. Its simple syntax, platform independence, and versatile make it an excellent choice for both new and experienced developer. What actually is Python? Python is a general purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. It is an open source language free to use and modify. Runs seamlessly on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and other platforms. So, key feature of Python: it is simple and readable syntax. Interpreted language supports multiple programming paradigm, automating memory management and dynamic typing. So why use Python? So Python is used in variety of fields like web application development, software automation and scripting, data science and machine learning, system administration and networking tasks. So this is how you install in Windows and Mac OS. The one on the left is on Windows. So for that you need to install Chocolately package. So you can use Choco install Python, and Mac OS it's all same. Brew install Python, brew install Cask Anaconda, brew install --cask PyCharm -c. So let us look into the basic syntax and followed by the other concepts. For that I'm going to use PyCharm. So I have created a new file, first python.py. Py is the extension for the Python language. So let me uh, run the first script. So if you go back and see my bash scripting videos, so more or less it is equivalent to what bash scripting is. Okay, minute changes will be there, but a lot of concepts and um, uh, operators and everything are similar. So instead of in bash scripting we use echo. Instead of echo we are going to use print. So we are going to print the value, double quotes. Welcome to Python. Let's execute it. So it would get executed here. Welcome to Python. So you can print multiple lines. This welcome to Python. This is DevOps course. So let us learn the basic syntax. Let us create a variable x is equal to 1. Okay. Let's do if x is equal to 1 colon print yes, you are correct, else colon no it's not. So when we print this, it is going to give us an output. Yes, you are correct. So now I'm going to type a line, print you are out of the statement. So now this is called indentation. Okay, so when there is a space, so this statement falls within the um, statement. Okay, so when I am not going to give any space, this doesn't fall under the statement. So it is going to independently print this line even if the condition is met or doesn't met. See, you are out of the statement. So now I'm going to give the space which is called indentation. Okay, so now it is not going to get printed. I'm going to change the value 0. See, now it is part of the statement. So you need to be more careful while writing Python coding. So this is not similar to Bash, but um, this is Python. So these minute things which we need to keep in mind. Now let's create a new file and learn variable. Okay, so variable is nothing but we are going to store a value to a variable. So let's say variable 1 is equal to, within double quotes, um, DevOps. Variable 2 Python. '75 variable 4 equal to 4.5. So this is a string which we need to use it within the double quotes. Same here. This is the integer and this is the floating variable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to print the variable now. So here I'm going to use bracket, oval bracket, and call the variable var1. Okay, so DevOps is printed. So I'm going to use the same for all the other variables. 4, 3, 2. Okay, so DevOps Python 75 4.5, it got printed. So now I want to understand the data type of a particular variable or a particular value. Let's say 4.1. Let us try to understand the type, data type. So type is the command which we should use to understand the data type of a particular value. Okay, so type var4 print okay, so float. So float is the variable. It gave us the output. So in Python we need to understand few more data types which is called as list. Okay, so list is the collection of variables. Okay, that means multiple data types enclosed in a square bracket. And tuples. So tuples is the collection of multiple data types which is enclosed in the round brackets. Dictionary element in dictionary is always in the key value pair. That means we store a value in the key. Okay, so and then there is a data type called boolean, which is x equal to true, y equal to false, like a kind of true or false statement. So let us look into it one after the other. So first of all, let us look into the list. So list is the collection of multiple data types, okay, enclosed in the square braces. Okay, let me create a variable first underscore list, okay, equal to square braces. So let us try to call this variable. Call this variable 2, where 2, and I'm going to give my own input, which is, let's say, answer. Okay, and then I'm going to give a number, which is 145, and then a float variable, which is 6.5. So now I'm going to print the list. First underscore list. Okay, Python Ansible 145 6.5. So whatever the inputs we have given here in the list, it got printed here, and the variable 2 is here, which we called it from. Okay, so now let us look into the tuples. Okay, so tuple is nothing but the collection of multiple data types enclosed in the round braces. Okay, we can use the same statement tuples round braces. The tuples. Okay, now let us change it from Ansible to AWS 145 to 185, here 9.5. See, it got printed. So the same variable which we called, let us try to change it, variable 1. So it got changed. DevOps, AWS 185, 95. Okay. So now let us see the dictionary, which we are going to use the key value pair. Okay. So it may not be a collection of multiple data types. Okay. So it is dictionary is always in the key value pair. Key value pair. So same first underscore diction dictionary is equal to, so this will be in the flower bracket. Okay, so what I'm going to do is name, okay, colon, give the input. So my name is Gautam, comma. So we can store the multiple values also. Okay, let me say age colon 30 and my hobbies colon. Okay, so here for providing multiple uh, values we need to use the square braces. Okay, so my hobbies, I go to gym colon cycling. Okay, sorry, it's not colon, it's again comma separated value. So what are we going to do is we are going to print the dictionary, print first dictionary. So it gave us the complete output. Okay, so then comes the boolean. So boolean is nothing but x is equal to true, y is equal to false. So let us learn this in the upcoming video. So stay tuned and follow my uh, YouTube channel, subscribe and share with your friends who are recently graduating the college, as well as if they are looking to switch from the non-technical field to the technical field. Please refer them these videos so that it will be easy for them to learn from the basics. Thank you.